She is reading a book at school. She is reading a book at school. They are standing together and waving. They are standing together and waving. Cheerful children are ready for school. Cheerful children are ready for school. Adorable baby is crawling with a pacifier. Adorable baby is crawling with a pacifier. She is sitting on the chair. She is sitting on the chair. He is opening the window slowly. He is opening the window slowly. She is tying her hair neatly. She is tying her hair neatly. They are playing in the green garden. They are playing in the green garden. He is drinking fresh orange juice. He is drinking fresh orange juice. She is helping her mother in kitchen. She is helping her mother in kitchen. They are watching cartoons on television. They are watching cartoons on television. He is jumping over a small puddle. He is jumping over a small puddle. She is feeding the birds happily. She is feeding the birds happily. They are running in the playground. They are running in the playground. He is fixing his broken toy. He is fixing his broken toy. She is watering the plants daily. She is watering the plants daily. They are clapping for the winner. They are clapping for the winner. He is carrying a heavy school bag. He is carrying a heavy school bag. She is writing neatly in notebook. She is writing neatly in notebook. They are drawing colorful pictures together. They are drawing colorful pictures together. He is eating a tasty sandwich. He is eating a tasty sandwich. She is baking cookies in the oven. She is baking cookies in the oven. They are dancing on happy music. They are dancing on happy music. He is reading a newspaper quietly. He is reading a newspaper quietly. She is packing her school bag. She is packing her school bag.